This is a sad day. I didn't really have a choice. DeWalt doesn't really have an electric shredder or a small wood chipper for home use. I tried to find something within my price range and I found this one. The worst part is probably that it doesn't match my other tools that I have, because they are all black and yellow. It has a lot of great reviews, but it isn't a DeWalt. It's a Makita. Yeah. Yeah. It's not really about the color or the brand. The important thing is that I get rid of this pile of branches, and I'm gonna use the wood chips for creating nice little walkways or paths in our garden. Well, the least I can do is use a DeWalt knife to open it. Just flip it around. Okay, so right here I'm missing a pin. I can't find it anywhere in the package. So what do? We make our own pin with an old nail. Yeah, let's just hope that works. Yes. You know that pin I was missing? Yeah, just fell out. There it is. Okay, let's go ahead and switch that out so we have everything the way it should be. How the hell is this gonna work? Let's just go like this then, I guess. But what the hell, Makita? Is this are you proud of this solution? I guess that's the way to do it. There we go. So this machine can take twigs and branches up to about 45 millimeter. So that's, yeah, roughly 45. This one should work, that one should work. And these are basically the biggest ones I have. So I might end up with a few that I can't shred, but most of them should work just fine. So let's go ahead and test it out. This is really nice. So even though this Makita actually does a good job, despite being a Makita, I think there's one little thing that's missing. There we go, much better.